Hello YouTubers, today's video about S320, S500, the Chase's W140. If you're having a problem with the gear not shifting and the ignition's and the key is not coming out from the ignition, well, there's a couple of solutions. First you want to try before you pull out anything. Their brake light switch. There's a panel here. You open it. Connected by one clip, two clips, and then one screw on the right side. I'll demonstrate how to open it. Once you open the panel underneath the steering wheel, there's a brake light switch that releases the gear, which is this one. You might want to try replacing this one. If it does not work, then your problem could be here. Here's the knob that releases the shifter. This knob right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me point at it in a screwdriver. This knob down there. If you want to manually shift it, you have to pull it with your with the screwdriver backwards, and then it releases the gear. But that's temporarily fixed if you want to just move the car from your spot. So you have to move the center console panel, open it up, and then you pull this one backwards and it shifts. But my problem here, when I put the key in the ignition, it does not move, it moves halfway. There's a wiring coming back to the ignition. And I'll show you what's the problem right now. This is the ignition. I pulled the ignition. Say, put the key in. This is the problem here. This should not be moving. So, if I put the key in, turn it, I'm still holding it. See now, turning back the key off, it doesn't come out unless I push these two together, which they should have been connected like this. Now the key is off. Let's put it back together, turn it on, press the brake. It does not come on drive. Push these two together, push them. I have to do it with two hands. Just want to show you. So I have to push it with two hands. Now the gear is on drive. It moves. So basically the problem is with the ignition switch. I'm not gonna replace the ignition switch. This one easily comes off. So I'm only gonna do some fixing here, maybe. See what I don't do is find a solution without replacing the whole ignition switch. This one should comes off easily. Turn it sideways, push it in. Here you go, it's off. So this is the problem. The problem is not here. The problem is with the inside the ignition switch. It's not holding up. There's two clips should have been here and they're already broken from the usage of the years, and it's a 1996 car, so it's not new. If you want to pull the ignition switch, there's only one screwdriver that is connected here. I mean a screw, not screwdriver. This screw is here. And then you have to put the key in to release the lock. You pull the screwdriver, and then you can take out the ignition and fix it how you want to fix it. Replace it, or weld it, or whatever you want to do.